Game controllers. Never where you want them, always in the way. Let's do something about that. Let's head over to Thingiverse. I'm pretty sure there's already somebody has made one of these. So we just look for Stadia Controller. All right, right off the bat, I see two. That one looks, yeah. We'll go with the less complicated one. I don't want to have to do any supports. So, yep, that looks about right. Good enough. Download it. Okay. Throw this over to Kira. Okay, so in Cura, there's the model. We gotta throw this thing on its side. That gap won't print very well. There we go. Then I usually like to move it towards the center of the bed. Not important, just think it works better with the time lapse. And yeah, I think that's right. Probably do this in a fine. The info is probably okay. We'll check that in a minute. Make sure we get the right material. Use the cheap inland micro center crap. Because if it doesn't turn out good, then we didn't waste good material. Yeah, I think that's going to be good. Look at the infill. Yep. Good enough. So we'll save this. This will be printed in black. So done.